Hi, I'm Ryan Dunn. I'm a junior. I'm in choir, and I'm also in Latin club and theater, but I've been in choir for 3 years, and if ever you want to learn about how your voice works, or sing with your friends, or just learn music fundamentals, it's great fun here. We sing some great music, and even if you're in sports or something, you can still be involved in choir.
Hi, my name is Trey Allen. I'm in Junior Honors Choir. I'm in Tim Bucksworth, and I'm also in Chamber Choir.
Hi, I'm Erin. I'm in Juniors Honors Choir, and I'm also in cross country, juniorettes, knitting club, and AP classes.
Hey, I'm Anna Beth. I'm in Junior Honors Choir. I'm also in Chamber Choir, Undivided, TNT, and juniorettes and AP classes.
Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm in Junior Honors Choir, and I'm also involved in Chamber Choir, juniorettes, Undivided, and other things.
Hi, I'm David. I'm in Junior Honors Choir in Tim Bucksworth, and I'm also in Health Science Academy, a diver, and I think that's it.
Hi, I'm Cashra Clinton, and I'm in Junior Honors Choir, Chamber Choir, and I'm also a peer helper and in IB classes here at Hoover High.
Hello, my name is Houston Kendrick. I'm in Junior Honors Choir and Chamber Choir. I'm also in Minority Achievement Council and peer helping.